Welcome to your GK class. Now, today we are going to learn about the circus. You can open your Play and Learn book to page number 35. Now, children, you must have seen a circus. In the circus, there are many people. You can see people, animals. Now, you can see the trapeze artist. They perform actions on the top of the roof. Then you can see the magic show. Parrot also. You can see the parrot also showing you tricks. Then you can see the horse show. Juggler, juggling with the bottles. Elephant also, you can see the elephant going from the table to standing on the table, saluting, playing with the ball. Then you can see so many clowns also. They come in the middle and make people laugh. And you can see the lion show, where lions also show how to do tricks. Now, children, in the magic show, who shows you the tricks? The magician. The magician in the magic show shows the tricks. You can see the magician. Now, who juggles the bottle? The person who juggles the bottle is called a juggler. Who juggles the bottles? Juggler juggles the bottle. Who makes the people laugh, children? The clown makes the people laugh. Yes. Now, children, let us open page number 37. Page number 37. Children, now all the festivals are going to come. Now, there are 3 national festivals. Children, 3 national festivals. Which are the national festivals? 26th January, that is Republic Day. And national festivals. First one is Republic Day. First is Republic Day. Second is Independence Day. Independence Day. And the third is Gandhi Jayanti. There are 3 national festivals. Republic Day, that is 26th January. Independence Day, it is 15th August, it is going to come. And Gandhi Jayanti, that is 2nd October. Children, these 3 festivals are national festivals, and the whole nation of India, our nation, celebrates these 3 festivals. Now, there are many other festivals, like we celebrate Diwali, Eid, Durga Puja, Guru Parv, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Pongal, Christmas, Dashera, Eid. So many festivals we have and we celebrate. So now let us talk about the festivals. Which festival is known as the festival of lights? Diwali is called the festival of lights. Children, you can see Diwali. Which festival is known as the festival of colors? Holi is known as the festival of colors. We celebrate Holi in the month of March and we play with colors on that day. What do people say to each other on Eid? What do people say to each other on Eid? People say Eid Mubarak to each other on Eid. When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. In Christmas, you can see a Santa Claus comes and distributes gifts to small children. Which is your favorite festival, children? You can talk about your favorite festival. But now my favorite festival is Durga Puja, because it is a long festival and we get 9 days to celebrate this festival. And I like Durga Puja. We can praise the goddess Durga, and we get 9 days to wear new clothes, to eat so many things, and even we go to fairs, melas, and we enjoy a lot. So during Eid also, we wear new clothes, we eat sevai, and we say Eid Mubarak to each other. In Christmas, we go to church, we wear new clothes, we pray to God, and we eat cake. So children, there are so many festivals. Now, let us talk about the places of worship. Children, we have so many places of worship. GK book, page number 38. The Hindus go to the temple to worship. The Hindus go to the temple to worship. The Muslims go to the mosque and worship. The Christians go to the church and worship. And the Sikhs go to Gurudwara and worship. Children, you can see the picture of a temple, a mosque, a Gurudwara, and a church. Where do you go to worship God? I go to the temple to worship God. Who worship in a church? The Christians worship in a church. What is the place of worship of the Muslims called? The place of worship of the Muslims is called mosque. Children, don't pronounce it as mosque. It is mosque. MOSQUE. Because I have seen many children pronounce it wrongly. It is mosque. Who worship in a Gurudwara? The Sikhs worship in a Gurudwara. Who worship in a temple? Hindus worship in a temple. So children, you will like this class. Thank you.